Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 3: Animals and Plants. Knowledge acquisition. After completing this chapter, we will be able to know about the movement of animals, the breathing of animals and plants, the nutrition and reproduction of animals and plants, the feeling and growth of animals and plants. Plants, animals and human beings show all the features of living things. However, they also exhibit various distinctions that set them apart from one another in many ways. Movement. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and protection. They show variety in their movements. For example, they can walk, glide, swim, fly and run. The movement of animals in search of food and shelter is called locomotion. Plants do not show locomotion. They remain fixed to the ground because they do not have to search for food or water. Only some parts of the plants show movement. Breathing. Animals breathe in air through different body parts. Animals like tigers, whales, monkeys, etc. breathe through their lungs. Fish breathe through their gills, and frogs breathe through their skin and lungs both. Insects like butterflies and cockroaches have tiny holes on their bodies which help them to breathe. Plants breathe through small openings on the surface of their leaves called stomata. Nutrition. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend on plants for their food. Animals like cow, buffalo, horse, goat, rabbit, deer, etc. eat plants. Animals like lion, tiger, wolves, etc. eat these plant eaters. However, green plants make their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Critical thinking. Some plants like the Venus flytrap eat insects. Only non-green plants like molds and mushrooms get their food from dead and decaying matter. Animals depend on plants and flesh for their food. Plants make their own food. Reproduction. Animals produce their own kind by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Some animals like cat, cow, dog, deer give birth to their young ones. Some animals like birds and snakes lay eggs. Most plants produce seeds when sown. These seeds give rise to new plants. There are some plants which grow from a part of the plant, like root, stem. For example, rose plants grow from the stem of plant and turnip and carrot grow from the roots. Animals give birth to young ones. Animals lay eggs. A baby plant grows from a seed. Response to touch. Animals have sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue which help them to sense things around them. They use these organs to feel and respond to changes in their surroundings. Plants are not sensitive to touch except for some plants, like the touch-me-not plant. Growth. Plants develop from seeds, parts, leaves or spores. Plants grow throughout their lives, whereas animals' growth takes place at a specific time. Example, a kitten grows into a cat. Once it becomes a cat, its growth stops. When it becomes old, it dies. Plants and animals are interdependent. Animals and plants depend on each other. Honeybees and butterflies take nectar from flowers and in return help a flower turns into a seed. This seed is thrown out by us after we eat the fruit. When the conditions are favorable, they become a new plant. Plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide gas, which is given out by animals while breathing. Carbon dioxide is harmful for animals. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen gas. Plants prepare their food by using carbon dioxide, and animals use oxygen for their breathing. Without oxygen, all animals will die, hence plants and animals depend upon each other. Continuous review. Animals and plants are different in many ways. Animals can move from one place to another, but plants cannot. Plants breathe through holes on their leaves surface, and animals breathe through their lungs or gills. Plants can make their own food, but animals cannot. Animals respond through their sense organs, but most plants do not. Animals give birth to their young ones or lay eggs. A plant grows from seeds or other part of the plant.
Like, share and subscribe.